which was raised because of issues arising from the operation of the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission. Yes, overlapping jurisdiction concerning the procedural gaps and investor concerns from Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission, digital, electronic, online, and non-online traditional consumers lending regulations. This commission intends to take some actions which have not been thoroughly considered. The motion was raised yesterday, and the House resolved to set up an ad hoc committee, which Mr. Speaker did this morning. And the mandate of the ad hoc committee is to examine everything regarding this in particular issue of this digital and non-digital consumer lending rates. Is directing the service providers, all in the communication industry, MTN, Airtel, Glo, and the rest to remain status quo pending the proper investigation and submission of the report of ad hoc committee. So by this, both NCC and court are to comply and hold on till further notice. None of them should go further with what they intend to do until the House finally resolves the matter on the floor of the House. The committee have 6 weeks to do their work and report back to the House for further legislative cases.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.